Founded in 1984, Lone Star College-Kingwood has since led the way for helping students reach their academic goals in the Northeast Houston area. As part of the Lone Star College system, the college offers many academic courses, specialized workforce programs, and continuing education programs in addition to two-year degrees. Offerings include teaching, fire science, nursing, dental hygiene, respiratory care, occupational therapy, visual communication, and computing programs. The college's new Health Professions Center houses state-of-the-art equipment, simulation labs, and top-notch medical spaces for students in the 5 healthcare industries: dental assisting, dental hygiene, nursing, occupational therapy assistant, and respiratory care. Students will train in a clinical setting, which will help them learn and gain the necessary skills in treating various health conditions that they will experience in their chosen professions. At our LSC-Atascocita Center on Westlake Houston Parkway, students can take general college courses towards an associate degree or earn transfer credits to a 4-year university. The LSC Process Technology Center in Generation Park also offers core classes as well as associate degrees in process and instrumentation technology. Lone Star College-Kingwood and its satellite centers serve more than 11,000 students each semester. Students can choose a mode of instruction, online, in-person, or hybrid, that works best with their schedules. Lone Star College-Kingwood partners with area school districts to offer dual credit courses and early college high school programs. We also host various community events, including drama productions, concerts, recitals, art shows, a monthly food fair, and more. Schedule an appointment today to start your future tomorrow at Lone Star College-Kingwood. Welcome to Lone Star College-Kingwood.
Welcome to Lone Star College-Kingwood.
مرحبا بكم. أهلا وسهلا في كلية Lone Star College-Kingwood.
Welcome to Lone Star College-Kingwood.
欢迎来到龙 Star 大学 Kingwood 分校。
Welcome to Lone Star College-Kingwood.
लोन स्टार कॉलेज किंगवुड में आपका स्वागत है।
به لون ستار کالج کینگوود خوش آمدید.
Bienvenidos a Lone Star College-Kingwood.